Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and tonight we're just going to do, it should be a fairly quick cook. I'm going to do peanut butter chicken, and I'm going to do it on the Blackstone Griddle. So once it gets going, I add the peanut butter sauce. I've got to keep things moving. So let's go inside. I'll show you how I put it all together. We'll come back out and we'll throw it on the griddle. Okay, I've got 2 chicken breasts cut up into about 1-inch squares. I've got a half a cup of diced onion. I'm using 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil for frying the chicken in. I have a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of salt, half a cup of peanut butter, 1/4 cup of tamari sauce, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, half a cup of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons in this little bowl, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. And I'm using all of this to make my peanut butter sauce for my peanut butter chicken. So what I'm going to do is put it all in this bowl. I am going to put this over some heat so that I can get it all mixed up and thickened up a little bit before I get them onto the Blackstone. And there you go. Now we're ready to go outside and get this cook going. Okay, so here's my peanut butter sauce that I made in there, and it's you know, it's not like super thick, but I wanted to thicken it up since I'm doing this on the Blackstone. I wasn't putting it in a pan all wet like that to cook and thicken. I wanted to get a little bit of a head start so it doesn't run all over my Blackstone. So let me get some coconut oil on here. We'll get our onions going, then the chicken. And once the chicken's ready, then we'll get the peanut butter sauce on it, pull it, and go enjoy it on a bed of rice. I was gonna do rice and broccoli, but went to the freezer and we were out of broccoli, out of cauliflower, so we're not having a veggie. We're just doing peanut butter chicken on rice. All right, let's get this going. All right, let's get some coconut oil on here. Slip and slide. Maybe a couple tablespoons. Need to get my griddle level, don't I? All right. Get that all melted. All right, so I've got my my onions here. Let's get those going. I just did a half a cup because those chicken breasts were a little small, so we don't want to overpower it with onion. This is about a little under half of a medium onion. Let these go for 2 or 3 minutes. We'll be back. Okay, the onions have been on here for a couple of minutes. They look like they're starting to turn translucent a little bit. I think we can go ahead and get our chicken on here. Our chicken down. Salt, pepper, and cumin. That mixed up. Sprinkling it on there. That mixed up. Well, this is going to take a few minutes for this chicken to cook, so we'll be right back. All right, this is ready for our peanut butter sauce. I cannot use all of this. We're up to 1.5 pounds. This is quite a bit of sauce right here. We'll save some in case we want some after we pull it off. I'm going to put that much for right now and see how it does. Okay, got to keep it moving because the griddle's hot. There's honey in it. Don't really want it all to stick, but you do want it to thicken up a little bit more. Okay, I think I'm going to call that good. That looks pretty good. The sauce is thickened up pretty good. Like I said, you get some of that foam. It's an indication that it's about ready. Okay, let me get my bowl. Get this in my bowl. Look how thick that is. All right, there you go. Peanut butter chicken and on the Blackstone Griddle. Look at that. All right, let's go put it on some rice and give it a taste test. All right, there you go. It's just that easy. Peanut butter chicken on the Blackstone Griddle. Doesn't that look good? Now, it'd look better if I had some broccoli lined up around the outside of it, right? All right, so I'm gonna just get a piece of chicken right now. Piece of chicken. Oh man. We'll get a couple of pieces of that chicken with some rice. Look at that. That's just the right amount of rice. So good. It's time to go inside and enjoy this. Okay, I had to run back outside and make a clarification. As we were eating, my wife was asking, she's like, this doesn't really taste like a peanut sauce like you know of a peanut sauce. This is a peanut sauce, a peanut butter sauce. And she said, this would be really good with peanuts. And I was like, oh my goodness, I forgot the peanuts. So if you're gonna make this, which I recommend, while it's on the griddle, throw on some peanuts and get them nice and hot and soften them up a little bit. All right, thanks for watching. Come back Thursday. I'm on Mondays and Thursdays. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. We've got more great recipes to come. So hopefully we'll see you soon.